Hi, Attorney Jason Waechter here for Ride Free TV. There's been a lot in the news lately about Michigan's new or amended move over law. So I want to set the record straight. I'm hearing a lot of different things. This is a new law. Actually, it's not a new law. This law, this move over law for police vehicles, fire vehicles, EMS vehicles, has been around since 2001. There's just a couple little things that are new, and we'll go over those. So you can find this law if you want to look it up, and we'll put the link below. Right here, Michigan complied law, and we say MCL 257.653A, and it's entitled Stationary Emergency Vehicles Giving Visual Signal. Duty of approaching vehicle to use due care and caution. Violations and penalties. So that's the law. So what's an emergency vehicle? That's what's kind of tricky. Even before this new law, it meant fire, police, EMS. We know that. One you might not have known, and I had a client call me a couple years ago about this because he got a $500 ticket. He had one of those courtesy, I think it was a CVS or AAA courtesy vehicles. They just go around patrolling. Somebody had a flat tire. That vehicle stopped to help them, and they had some yellow flashing lights. He didn't think this is an emergency vehicle. He didn't move over. Well, he got a ticket because even that type of vehicle is covered even under the old law as well as the new law. So, emergency vehicles under this new law, everyone's talking about garbage trucks. So here's a big list of all these different vehicles that are covered under this new law that you have to move over for police, fire, EMS, tow trucks always, utility trucks, snow removal trucks, rural letter carriers, automobile service cars, like I just talked to you about, and any kind of public utility vehicles for the collection of hauling refuse. So I guess that's where they get the garbage truck. The bottom line is, if something's on the side of the road stopped and it has a flashing light, you need to move over. You always have. So what's this new law about? Well, actually, there is a change. That the new law, you actually have to reduce your speed by 10 miles an hour. That's brand new. You have to move over. If you're on the highway and there's some lanes next to you, you have to move over if it's safe for you to do so. If you can't, you reduce your speed and still proceed with due care and caution. The penalties are different. 60 days from today, February 13th, 2019, the penalties change. It used to be a misdemeanor, and you could be penalized or fined up to $500. Now, they've changed it. They've lowered it. It's now a civil infraction. And you shall be given a fine of $400. So it seems to me that judges don't have any leeway anymore. The fine states shall be $400. So the bottom line is this. If you see a vehicle on the side of the road or side of the highway with flashing lights, you need to slow down by at least 10 miles an hour and move over. It's that easy. And also, I recommend if there's any car on the side of the road, any vehicle on the side of the road that's occupied, especially a motorcyclist, you need to move over anyway. That's what you should do as a courtesy and to keep everybody safe.